Welcome to the fifth part of a five-part tutorial from George Mason University Libraries on working with census data and GIS. In Part 5, we'll prepare the map we created in Part 4 for publication. We'll export it as an image file, and we'll paste it into a report we're preparing in Word. First, go to your Census Project folder and open up the map we prepared in Part 4, FFX POV 65 map. You can simply double-click it to open it up with ArcGIS. Now we have our map open and we need to prepare it for publication. Specifically, we'll want to add a title and a legend so that readers know what's showing. In the bottom left-hand corner of the map, find the button for Layout View. It looks like a blank page and is next to the Data View button, which looks like a globe. Clicking on Layout View will let us format our map. ArcMap makes it easy to insert titles and legends. Simply go to the Insert drop-down menu and select Title. Now call your map Fairfax County Poverty 65 Plus. When you're finished typing, simply hit Enter, and ArcGIS will automatically center the title for you. Next, go back to the Insert drop-down menu and select Legend. You'll see our layer automatically appear in the Legend Items window. Click Next, and in Legend Title, type in Population over age 65 below the poverty level. Once you've typed that in, simply continue clicking Next until you reach Finish, and then click Finish. Now you'll see our legend appear. Drag it down to the bottom left-hand corner of the viewing pane. Now we'll need to clean it up a little bit so that it's more presentable and easier to read. So double-click the legend to reach the Legend Properties window. Click on the Legend tab, and under Title, insert a break after the number 65 simply by hitting Enter. Now click Apply, and you see that our legend title is now a little bit more manageable and easier to read, and it aligns more clearly with our data labels. We also want to get rid of the layer name and the data name so that it's a little bit clearer for readers. So click on the Items tab. Under Legend Items, double-click on our layer name, and now click Properties, and uncheck the boxes next to Show Layer Name and Show Heading. Click Apply, and select OK, and OK again. And then one more time, select Apply, and then OK. And now you see our legend is clear. It only contains the name of the data we're showing and then the data labels themselves. Lastly, we'll want to convert our map into an image file so that we can drop it into a Word document. Simply go to File, Export Map, and save it as any kind of image file. I'm going to use bitmap or BMP. Call our new image FFX POV 65 image, and make sure it's saved in your Census Project folder. And once you've saved it, close ArcGIS, save the changes to our map, and now open up our new image file to make sure it looks okay. And here you see it displayed, and we are ready to drop it into our Word document. So open up our document. Now there are some different ways to add images to Word documents. Perhaps the easiest is to use a text box. Simply scroll down to the point of your document where you want to insert your map. Click at that point and select Insert Text Box and choose Simple Text Box. Go ahead and delete the default text that appears there. Now go back to your Census Project folder and simply click and drag your new map image file into the text box. And now you can go ahead and resize or reposition your map Now we want to make sure the text is not flowing behind our map. So right-click on the frame of the text box, select Format Text Box, click the Layout tab, and select Square. Click OK, and now you see the text is flowing around our new map. Now our map is set up in our report, and we're done. If you have any questions about the topics covered in any part of this tutorial, feel free to contact the Fenwick Library Government Documents staff.